Namaskar. I am Dr. Pankaj Naram. I am very happy today to introduce you to one of my best student, and I would say now he is not my best student, but he is one of the best doctor in Italy. Oh, sorry, he is not in Italy. He is the best doctor in Europe. He does pulse reading very beautifully. He has been traveling with me from last I think more than 15-16 years, learning the secret art and science of pulse reading. He is such a good student that he wants to go deeper and deeper in ancient secrets, and he has a big itch. He has a big desire to help people. He goes out of way to help people, and he has been traveling with me to many places like London, America, Mauritius. Now we were in Mauritius, and there were more than 700 people in the hall. And believe it or not, when he started speaking, people loved him. And I would say his website is dr-giovanni.com, and this dr-giovanni.com, he will be sharing with you such powerful ancient secrets which he has learned from the scriptures, from me directly, which is coming from our lineage of 2500 years on arthritis, diabetes, blood pressure, osteoporosis, many mental disease, many chronic infertility cases, obesity, skin disease, and whatnot. He will not only share with you these secrets, but he will also share with you his personal experience, how he helped thousands and thousands of people in last more than 15 years with chronic and acute health challenges with ancient secrets. I highly recommend you to come to his website and allow yourself to change your life forever. Namaskar.
My name is Giovanni. I am a medical doctor and I come from Italy, as you can understand by my beautiful tie. And I know Dr. Naram from '94. So while he was performing a workshop in Bologna. Bologna is a city in Italy, and Dr. Naram was in his tour, in his very successful tour in Italy and in Europe, and I was attracted by one poster that was showing that the big master of Ayurveda and Siddha Veda was explaining his secrets. So I went to the hall, and after hearing and feeling what Dr. Naram was sharing with us, I get enthusiastic to learn more about Ayurveda. At the time I was a student in medical college, and I decided to go deeper in the science of ancient secret, and decided also to make my degree thesis in ancient secret, how to help people suffering from anxiety and depression. So luckily I got the help of one, let's say, open mind professor. The name is Dr. Amore, Professor Amore, that helped me to guiding in founding the material and describing in scientific word what the powerful secrets was doing. And so I went to the university, and then I explained Ayurveda and the secrets, how it was working, and all the professor was enchanted, let's say. Also, Dr. Naram was behind me, and so we was successfully done. After that I finished, I went also in India. I went in India to learn more in practice. So, and I got very inspired, touched by some cases that I saw. especially two situations. Two situation. One was regarding a man that was suffering with heart block, so the coronary arteria was blocked. One was 100% blocked, the other was 90%, and the third was 75%. So only a small quantity of blood was flowing to nourish the heart. So this man was unable to walk, was unable to perform his normal life, unable to, after few steps, he felt short breath, and very difficult to do anything in life. So he came to Dr. Naram center after a diagnosis done by a cardiologist. So the cardiologist say, please run to the hospital because you have to do surgery, otherwise there is no chance for you to survive. Because already the blocks is gone, is become very important, and we cannot do nothing else beside the surgery. But this man was not happy to go for surgery because of the money, because of the risk, because of the implication of the surgery, and he came to Dr. Naram searching for a different solution, a natural solution. He heard about Dr. Naram ancient secrets by other patients, and then he came. So I was there for 3.5 months, and after this time, following him, I saw a very great improvement in his situation, as detected also by other arteriography. So the blocks was starting to remove, to go, and was something that for me, coming from the Western science, Western university, was something that I never read, I never and never nobody no professor told me that was possible. So I got very impressed. So we cannot remove the blocks in the Western country. So this man went to very delicate and profound treatments. Application of panchakarma, in panchakarma treatment, application of oil in the cardiac area, taking herbal remedies, ancient secrets, herbal remedies, and following the diet. The diet also is important. So he has taken responsibility of his life. He's changed his habit, and he has taken mung and a lot of vegetables in his diet. So yes, he has improved, and also after he has regained his normal life. And another situation very touching for me was one lady that she was suffering from schizophrenia. So she came with the help of the mother, and she was in his ward, not answering properly to the question that Dr. Naram was saying, and the mother said that she came because she was trying to kill the husband in the house. So everything was mixed up. Was so after 3.5 months of observation, also she came back with a smile, with more conscious, more alert, more lovely towards the husband, towards the family. So all the family was very happy, very happy. And so also in this situation, and I was coming from the experience of the psychiatric hospital, where the people are very how to say suppressed with the heavy drugs. Their consciousness is low. They act like zombie, we can say. So this was very touching experience. And also very amazing when I was sitting with Dr. Naram. So I came with no knowledge about this ancient art and secret of pulse reading. So I was sitting with him, and he was amazingly describing, just touching the pulse, or whatever was going on in the mind and the emotions and the mental situation of the patient in just few seconds. And the patient feel that Dr. Naram has understood their problem, and so they go out of the room very much happier, more confident. They have more trust in him and faith that their problem can be solved.
For those who are interested in learning pulse reading or being a healer, learning ancient secrets, you've done so much of it. What advice do you have for those hundreds and thousands of people who are interested in learning pulse reading, learning to follow this man?
Yeah, the advice is to contact Dr. Naram, and eventually come in the center and sit near him and be open heart guided by him. So is a process, is a way. So we should dedicate our life actually. So it's not something that you learn and then it's a constant process, because um, the pulse reading require also, according to me, a inner development. It's not just something technical, but more you develop yourself, and more you go deeper in the art and science of pulse reading.